Shit! Why aren't you going off? Come on, man.
The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Ohio, Northern Carroll County in East Central Ohio, Northern Tuscaloosa.
Who had my alert off?
Central Western.
Who the fuck turned my alert off?
Western Lawrence County
Severe?
in Pennsylvania until 9.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
8:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles.
Oh, what the fuck?
Salem to 8 miles north of East Palestine, moving south at 20 miles per hour.
Just keep getting warnings, man.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Someone turned off my fucking weather radio.
Expect damage to trees and power lines,
Yeah.
resulting in some power outages.
Yeah.
Locations impacted include Dover,
Power flashes.
Columbiana, East Palestine, Carrollton,
That was a lightning bug.
Calcutta, Minerva, Oleoville, Lisbon, Strasburg,
Wow, bro.
Street, New Waterford.
Fuck, tornado warning in Cleveland.
Bolivar,
But
Mineral City.
severe thunderstorm warning here. We had a flash flood warning. I believe it's still going on.
This includes Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 85 and 94.
Like, we had a tornado warning, bro.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Tornado warnings moved out of the area.
Report severe weather by calling 412-262.
I love my weather radio, bro. That's why I love my collection.
National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties
Damn,
in Ohio,
bitch.
Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas, and Lawrence, Pennsylvania. The forecast for the Mahomes.
I have my weather radios up so my neighbors can hear it.
Watch 524 in effect until 11.
Caught that.